x squared plus 4x plus 6x plus 24. Let's represent this with the diagram first. Actually, I'm going to make sure I have enough space to write on top of it. It says I have x squared plus 4x. So I'm going to add 1, 2, 3, 4x here. And then there's a 6x. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my x squared is going to be here. This is going to be an x by x. So this region right here is x squared. I have 4 x's down here, 4 x's here. So this is going to be x, 4x. This would be a plus 4. I have another 6 x's over here. 6 x's. So if this is x and this is 6x, this would be a plus 6. And then I have a 4 by 6 rectangle down here in the corner, so that would be where my 24 is. So if I represent this algebraically, I could also say this is x plus 6 times x plus 4.